Hi, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. We will show you complete engine parts for Mitsubishi 4D56. Now, let's look at the accessories. The piston is made of high-quality materials to withstand the high pressure of the combustion process, ensuring smooth transmission of power to the crankshaft. This is the cylinder liner, which together with the piston forms a sealed combustion chamber, which withstands high temperature and pressure while reducing friction and wear. The piston ring is mainly used to seal the cylinder to prevent gas leakage and oil from entering the combustion chamber. This is the full gasket. Our gasket kits are made of high-quality materials and include all gaskets and seals. At this point, you have learned more about Mitsubishi 4D56 engine parts. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.